Hi students, I'm Sonia from Vidya Guru. We are starting a new session on current affairs. If you like this session, press the like button, share the video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you do that, you will get the benefit of all the exam relevant videos. We are starting, but in today's session, I'll be sharing important information, like I'll be sharing the names of all those winners who have actually won Nobel Prize in different fields. Although I've taught you the same thing in the previous video as well, but there were two more winners actually, two more categories had to come out. Now those winners are there too. I'll be sharing the name of new Solicitor General too. So such questions will be there in today's session. Stay put, watch the video till the end. If you watch the video till the end, at the end the revision will be done. I think that's how I'll actually help you to learn all the difficult names, because I pronounce them twice or thrice and generally students say that that's how they retain the names. Alright, let's start from the first question, which is about Paul Romer and William Nordhaus. These people actually have won Nobel Prize. I'll be sharing the names. I told you that these two questions are related with Nobel Prize. So Nobel Prize in the category of economics. Nobel Prize in the category of economics. Paul Romer and William Nordhaus, they won Nobel Prize in the category of economics. Paul and William. Let's move to Nadia Murad and Denis Mukwege. Nadia Murad and Denis Mukwege, they won Nobel Prize. They won Nobel Prize in the category of peace. So Nobel Peace Prize. So Nobel Peace Prize won by Nadia and Denis. Nadia and Denis, Paul and William. Paul and William, economics. Nadia and Denis, peace. Nobel Prize, Nobel Peace Prize. Let's move to the third question. India for Humanity initiative launched by. See, such a thing, by actually writing such a thing, you need to understand that we are going to share something which will be done for the purpose of charity. Yes, that's what we are going to do. Okay, what is it all about? We are saying India for Humanity initiative launched by, first of all, write down the answer, then we'll actually discuss the details. Ministry of External Affairs. Ministry of External Affairs. So such a thing was launched by India for Humanity. This initiative, such a thing was launched by Ministry of External Affairs. For what purpose basically? See, they'll be actually providing artificial limbs or prosthetics to the people who are actually in search of it. You need to understand, it is not for, the India, as in not for the Indians only. People from outside, they'll be coming for such a thing. Prosthetics will be provided to everyone, not only for Indians, for everyone. So such a thing will be done under this idea, India for Humanity initiative, which was launched by Ministry of External Affairs. Rest other things are not important because the question can be made on such a thing. That is why I'm teaching you. All are the related or information or supporting details. I'm saying India for Humanity is the name of an initiative launched by Ministry of External Affairs. The next question is GIMEX exercise. As in GIMEX has that EX, that means exercise only. 18 shows the year. I'm going to tell you the venue of it. Along with that, I'll tell you it is between Japan and India. Maritime exercise. I'm saying Japan, India, maritime exercise. So between the two nations, one is Japan and the other one is India. That's GIMEX. I need to tell you the venue. That's Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam, which is in Andhra Pradesh. Visakhapatnam, which is in Andhra Pradesh. So Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, GIMEX. GIMEX is Japan, India, maritime exercise. When we say maritime, we are referring to sea. Sea, that means a naval exercise. Naval exercise between Japan and India. Maritime exercise, venue, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Man of the tournament, that's Asian Cricket Council Under 19 Asia Cup. Under 19 Asia Cup. So we are referring to man of the tournament in this Under 19 Asia Cup. And the name of the person is Yashasvi Jaiswal. Name of the person is Yashasvi Jaiswal. Name of the cricketer Yashasvi Jaiswal. Man of the tournament ACC Under 19 Asia Cup. Don't forget Under 19 and the man was Yashasvi Jaiswal. The next question is ministry that has won Swachhata Hi Seva Award. You need to highlight this part because this is the crux of the question. We are asking about the ministry which has won Swachhata Hi Seva Award. That's Ministry of Railways. That's Ministry of Railways. The next question is GI tag for. GI is geographical indication. GI is geographical indication. You need to associate a few things with it. We'll start with the place. Let's say when we say tea belongs to Darjeeling and we have named it Darjeeling tea. When we say sari is associated with Banaras, that is why Banarasi sari. Mahabaleshwar strawberry. We are associating a few things, a few products with the places. Similarly, that GI tag has geographical indication, Now one GI tag, else, one more GI tag has been given to Alfonso. And what is Alfonso? Alfonso, we all know, mangoes. Alfonso, mangoes, they have actually received the GI tag, Alfonso from Konkan. If you do not understand Konkan, I need to tell you something else besides that. It is like the areas of Maharashtra. When we say Ratnagiri, Sindhudurg, Raigad, such multiple places are there. So we have to take one name so that we can, give them a place, one place through which we can categorize it. It is like GI tag for one place, Alfonso from Konkan. We have collected all the places and we have actually named it like that, Alfonso from Konkan. New Solicitor General of India. That's New Solicitor General of India. That's Tushar Mehta. New Solicitor General, that's Tushar Mehta. So when we talk about Solicitor General, you need to understand a few things. When Attorney General of India is there, Attorney General of India is there, we all know, we associate them with law, we all know that. He is also associated with law. We say that he works, we can say that he advises, he actually provides suggestions, he helps the Attorney General of India. That's what his profile is. He does a lot many things, but one of the things that he does basically is that he helps, he supports, or he provides suggestions to the Attorney General of India. So he is also from the law background. That you need to understand that. We generally say that secondary lawyer of the country, we say that. I am saying Solicitor General of India comes below the Attorney General of India and he actually supports him. Repo rate, from here we are going to talk about the RBI's bi-monthly policy review. Bi-monthly policy review, when we start such a thing, I am going to discuss the number of rates if there is any change in them. We'll start with that. We'll start with repo rate. Start writing it, bi-monthly policy review, bi-monthly monetary policy review of RBI, bi-monthly monetary policy review, repo rate 6.50%, 6.50%, reverse repo 6.25%, 6.25%. When we talk about bank rate and marginal standing facility, that's 6.75%. That's 6.75%. Alright, I'm going to repeat that. I'm saying repo rate 6.5, reverse repo 6.25, marginal standing facility and bank rate 6.75%. So that's basically the bi-monthly monetary policy review of the central bank, that's RBI. Initiative launched to promote compressed biogas. Compressed biogas, that's CBG, you have to write it down. Compressed biogas. See, when such a thing is discussed, we are promoting such things obviously to save our environment. So that is an initiative. I'm going to name that initiative and the name of that initiative is Satat. If I'm writing it in uppercase, if I'm writing it in capital letters, you need to understand that it has some capital, it has some expanded form also. So the expanded form of Satat is sustainable alternative towards affordable transportation. Going to repeat that, sustainable alternative towards affordable transportation, that's Satat, and Satat is associated with compressed biogas. That's the initiative associated to promote basically compressed biogas. That's Satat. National Games 2019, the number will be 36, which are going to be held in 2019 at the place Goa. Goa will be the place where National Games will be held in 2019, and 36 number, That's going to be the 36th edition of National Games. World Post Day, International Day of Girl Child. That you need to learn. See, because I generally write 1 or 2 days. Today I've added 4 days because I found all of them important. World Post Day. World Post Day, that's 9th of October. World Post Day, that's 9th of October. International Day of Girl Child. That's 11th October. You need to write down the theme of it. You need to write down the theme of it. And why I'm writing, I'll tell you. First of all, you just write it down. With her, write down, with her, a colon, a skilled girl force. With her, a skilled girl force. See, that's basically the theme of International Day of Girl Child. With her, a skilled girl force. I found the theme of this day important, that is why I am writing it. I am saying World Post Day is observed on 9th of October. 11th October, International Day of Girl Child, where the theme was kept with her, a skilled girl force. Youth Olympic Games. I am going to tell you the name of the place. As I've written venue over here, Buenos Aires, that's the name of the place, and which is basically is in Argentina. The place is in Argentina. Buenos Aires, that's the name of the place. Buenos Aires, that's the name of the place which is situated in Argentina, where Youth Olympic Games took place. Or else, I need to tell you a few more things along with that. Manu Bhaker, she was the flag bearer. She was the flag bearer in the opening ceremony of Youth Olympic Games. You have to write it down. That's the additional information I wish to share. Such questions are generally asked in the exam. Manu Bhaker is the person, is the female actually. She has actually become the first one to win gold at Youth Olympic Games in the category of shooting. That you need to write it down. You cannot say that she is the only person who won, first gold. No, we are not saying that. In the category of shooting, she has become the first one to win gold in Youth Olympic Games. Alright. Argentina, Manu Bhaker, flag bearer, and Manu Bhaker won gold in shooting at Youth Olympic Games. We'll move ahead with the next question, which is about head of strategic policy group. When we talk about strategic policy group, some sort of strategies will be made, or strategies which are associated with the defense of the country. Such a thing is going to happen, and who is going to head that? Our NSA Ajit Doval. Our NSA Ajit Doval, National Security Advisor. Ajit Doval is going to be the head of this strategic policy group. Strategic policy group will be headed by Ajit Doval. World Animal Day is observed on 4th October. World Animal Day is observed on 4th October. Indian Air Force Day is observed on 8th October. Indian Air Force Day is observed on 8th October. So, World Animal Day 5th October and Indian Air Force Day. That's 8th October. I did not mention that. If you wish to write it down, you can write down 5th October also. That's World Teachers Day. And it is world, mind that word world. World Teachers Day is observed on 5th October. Alright, the next question is India International Science Festival, venue Lucknow, UP. IISF, primarily or generally it is written like that. So, Lucknow is the place where it is going to take place. I am saying India International Science Festival 2018, venue is Lucknow, UP. The next question is First Assembly of International Solar Alliance held at First Assembly of International Solar Alliance held at New Delhi. So, that's basically the place, First Assembly. Now, you need to associate this thing with the place, International Solar Alliance. That's New Delhi. Alright, let's start the revision from the very first question. We started with Paul and William. So, Paul and William, winners of Nobel Prize in the category of economics. Paul Romer, William Nordhaus. Paul Romer, William Nordhaus won the Nobel Prize in the category of economics. The next question is Nadia Murad and Denis Mukwege. They won Nobel Peace Prize. Nadia and Denis. India for Humanity, launched by, initiative launched by Ministry of External Affairs. Japan India Maritime Naval Sea Exercise 18, venue Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Man of the tournament, Asian Cricket Council Under-19 Asia Cup, Yashasvi Jaiswal. One more thing I wish you should write it down, that I forgot to share with you. India has won this Asia Cup, Under-19 Asia Cup won by India, where India defeated Sri Lanka. Write it down, this question can be there. India won that Under-19 Asia Cup. India won that, defeated Sri Lanka, and the venue of the place was Bangladesh. Add the information. Ministry that has won Swachhata Hi Seva Award, Ministry of Railways. Geographical indication tag newly provided to Alfonso, mangoes from Konkan. New Solicitor General of India Tushar Mehta. RBI's bi-monthly monetary policy review, repo rate 6.5, reverse repo 6.25, bank rate and marginal standing facility 6.75%. Initiative launched to promote compressed biogas, that's Satat, sustainable alternative towards affordable transportation. National Games 2019, 36th number will be held in Goa. 9th October, World Post Day, International Day of Girl Child, 11th October, where the theme was with her, a skilled girl force. Youth Olympic Games, the venue Buenos Aires, Argentina, where Manu Bhaker remained the flag bearer in this event. Apart from that, she had won gold in the category of shooting. Head of Strategic Policy Group Ajit Doval. 4th October, when we observe World Animal Day. 8th October, when we observe Indian Air Force Day. Lucknow, UP is the place where India International Science Festival 2018 will take place. New Delhi is the place where first assembly of International Solar Alliance will be held at. We are wrapping it up. Thank you.